Jai Shri Gurudev. So first UC relations and functions only. So next problem. Example 21. Example 21. Already so many problems discussed. See, these are some other problems. Example 21. Find the domain. Find the domain of the function f of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 4. Okay. So this f of x is given. You have to find the domain. Okay. So if rational functions are given, either rational function ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, so numerator denominator, these are the two polynomials, no polynomial functions. So therefore denominator should not be 0. ಅದು ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is the condition. Okay. So denominator means what? X square minus 5x plus 4. I have to factorize that one. So first factorization. So x square minus 5x plus 4 should not be 0. 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು. So 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು. So 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ first 0 consider ಮಾಡಿ first practice ಮಾಡೋಣ. Next we can decide. Okay. So x square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. Factorize x square minus, okay, 4 multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So minus 4x minus 6, minus 4x minus 6 is equals to minus 5x. Add ಮಾಡಿ. So minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Very easy. So therefore is my plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 4x. Okay. Minus 4x. X common, x minus 1 minus 4 common, x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. X minus 1. So therefore x minus 1 into x minus 4 is equals to what? 0. Okay. So x is equals to 1, x is equals to 4. X is equals to 1, x is equals to 4. So these are the two values, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 4. So that's why x, if you substitute these values, it will become 0. It will become 0. That's why what is answer means r minus these two values. So this is the answer. Okay. R minus these two values. So our domain is equals to what? So therefore should not be this one. So therefore domain is equals to r minus. You have to eliminate these 2 points. So the r minus 1 comma 4. R minus 1 comma 4. So this is the domain. Like that you have to simplify. Okay na? So I will give homework also. One problem. Same you have to do same procedure. If rational functions is given like this, means denominator should not be 0. Denominator ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು. Denominator 0 ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. After the solving factors ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, r minus that value you have to write. Okay, ಆ value ಬರೀಬೇಕು. So this is the procedure. See, this is the procedure to follow to find domain of the rational function. Okay. So my dear students, so this is a homework. So you have to do this one homework. Same procedure you have to follow. So find the domain of the function f of x is equals to x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 8x plus 1. Okay. So this is the, you have to find the domain of this function. Same procedure. So denominator ಬಂದಿದೆಲ್ಲ factors ಮಾಡಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿ will get the answer. R minus that roots, R minus that values. Okay. So I have to do the homework. Next we'll move to the next problem. See next problem. Question example 22. Example 22. The function f is defined by f of x is equals to 1 minus x, x less than 0, 1, x is equals to 0, x plus 1, x greater than 0. Draw the graph of f of x. Okay. So draw the graph of f of x graph na draw. Okay na? How to solve this one? See. First x less than 0, some values you have to do negative values, positive values, 0. Okay, first write the values x and y. F of x is equals to y now. So this is f of x equals to y. First tell me x is equals to negative values. So minus 2 Substitute minus 2 here. X less than 2 means minus 2 now. So I have substitute here. So therefore f of minus 2 is equals to 1 minus half minus 2. So is equals to what? 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Oh, next minus 1 minus 1. Same. This is 1 minus minus 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 2 1 plus 1 2 over. Next 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 means x equals 0 means 1 f of x equals to 1 so 1 next positive values 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x greater than 0 is positive values. If you take positive values means you consider this function, so x plus 1 means here 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next 2 thodre same this function 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Enough. So these are the values. These values will come out like graph. So have to draw the graph. Okay. Draw the graph like that. Okay. So 1 2 3 is there now. 1 2 3 4. Okay. X axis minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is x dash and this is y and y dash. So 1 2 3 4. Okay. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So like that I have to speak. So draw the graph. How to draw the graph? See. First minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 3. So here minus 2 comma 3. So minus 2 comma 3. Next minus 1 comma 2. So minus 1 comma 2 here. Minus 1 comma 2. Okay. Next here 0 comma 1. So this is 0 comma 1 here. Okay. Over. Next 1 comma 2. So 1. Say 1 comma 2 here. So 1 comma 2. Next 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3. So here 2 comma 3. So draw the graph. So here 2 comma. So here 2 3 4. Okay. 2 comma 3. So graph like that. Okay. Graph like that. See, it is V shape now. Which function is this? Is actually this is modulus function ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ನೋ V shape ಇರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ this is about the function. So the function if is defined by, so like that this is the graph. Okay, my dear students. Next we will move to the next problem. I will give another problem for you. You have to draw the graph by using like this. Have to take negative values and positive values and 0. I will give the one homework for you. Homework ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, have to do homework. Okay. See, next we'll start the miscellaneous exercise, chapter 2 miscellaneous problems. So this is miscellaneous problems exercise unsolved. See, first question, miscellaneous problems. First question, the relation f is defined by f of x is equals to x square. What is the condition? If 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 3. So 3x 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 10. Okay. So like that function is given. This is a f of x function, and the relation g is defined by g of x is equals to x square and 0 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2, 3x 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 10. So here two functions are given. One function is f of x, another function is g of x. Two functions are given. Show that f is a function. And g is not a function. Okay. So two questions have to show. First question is f is a function ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. So g is not a function ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. Okay. Okay, so let us take first one, f of x over f of x. Okay, so f of x first 0 ಇಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 0 ಇಂದ 3 0 to 3. Okay, so x this is f of x, f of x. Okay, see f of x is equal to something. Okay, x and f of x, y is equal to f of x. Then first 0, x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, I calculate one by one. First 0 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. But 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 0 less than or equal to x. 0 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x square ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ, x square. So 0 square equals to what? So 0 square, why? Because 0 plus 0 now 0 square equals to 0. First one is over. Next one 1 square, 0 ಇಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0 ಇಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೂ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ 0 ಇಂದ 3 ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 4 ತೆಗೆದು. ಓಕೆ, 1 square 1 over. Next 2 square 4. Next 3 square 9. So 0 to 3 is over. Next 3 to 10. Again 3, you can add, consider again 3 ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, 3 4 5 6 enough, ಸಾಕು ಇಷ್ಟ. 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು 3 ಬರೀದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, 3x 3 into 1 3 into 3 so 3 into 3x now 3x into 3x 3 into 3 is a 9. 4 3 into 4 3 into 5 3 into 6 what is the answer? 3 4 that 1 3 5 that 15 3 6 that 18 like that. If you write the points 0 0 1 1, okay, next 2 4 3 9 same we are getting 3 9. So ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So here ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 square 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, here also 9, so same ಬರಿದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So 4 12, okay, 5 15. Okay, so my dear students, so how we can decide whether a given function is function or not? Function is a given relation is function or not, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ so many times. First element 0 1 2 3 2 times repeated, also same element. So it is ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 3 9 2 times ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 times ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್. 1 2 3 4 5 6 had to do 7 8 9 10 ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, here space is not there, that's why I am not doing. You have to do homework, these things. So first elements different ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So therefore every element of the domain has the one and only one element in the codomain. Okay, that's why it is a function. So therefore we can declare that f is a function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, f is a function ಅಂತ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ 6 ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 7 ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ 7 3 into 7 8 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 into 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 9 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 into 9 10 3 into 10. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಒನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ದಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ is a function. Why? Because every element in the domain has a one and only one image. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ so this is a function. Okay, next we move to the g of x function. ಈ g of x function move ಮಾಡೋಣ. See, so this is g of x function now. So this is g of x function. Okay, and you have to calculate the points. Say, okay, x y equals to f of x. And tell me the point x. So 0 to 2, 0 1 2. Tell me how to take this one 0 0 ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಾ 0 square 0 square 0 1 square 1 only 2 square 4 over. So what are the points? 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 2 comma 4. Okay, so these are the points with the first condition use ಮಾಡಿ. So 0 comma 0 1 comma 1 2 comma 4. Okay, next what are the points? 2 in the 10 over. Again you have to do 2 3 4 5 6 over ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Remaining you have to do. Okay, so here 2 again. So illu ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ 2 into 3 into 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 into 3 2s are 3 2s are 6 are 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 3 9. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 4 12. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 5 15. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 6 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 6 8. Okay, okay na. So write down the points 2 comma 6 3 comma 9 4 comma 14 12 5 comma 15 6 comma 8. Okay, so these are the points 6 comma 18 6 comma 8. So if you observe these points 0 1 2 times repeated different point nodi 2 comma 4 2 comma 6 are different, but 2 repeats 2 times nodira ಎರಡು ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So that's why it is not a function. Okay na, so it is not a function. Like that we have to decide. So therefore, so here, so this is not a function. Why? Because the element in the domain 2 has the elements 2 has two different images. There 2 has two different images there. That is not a function. Okay, so that's why G is not a function. Okay, like that we have to simplify. So easy technique ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ. 2 times repeat ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 times repeat ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ 2 times repeat ಆಗಬಾರದು. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಫ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ 2 4 2 6 ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, we have to develop the skills every day. Okay, so that's why G is not a function. Next we will move to the next question number 2. See next question number 2 in the miscellaneous exercise. If f of x is equals to x square, f of x function is given like this, f of x square, we have to find these values. F of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. Okay, simplify it. First f of 1.1 calculate ಮಾಡಿ. f of 1.1. So f of x is equals to x square, f of y square, f of z square. So x change ಆದರೆ y change ಆದರೆ ಇದು change ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 is come, so square. So 1.1 whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1.1 into 1.1, so 1.1 whole square. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ವೇರಿಯಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. I'll give the one trick for you. Okay, ಏನು ಸರ್ ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಸಿ ಇವಾಗ 11 into 11 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 11 into 11 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 121 ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 1 ಇಂದ 11 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 11 into 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ 121. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓಕೆ. 11 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಇದೆ. I will give one technique for you. Why? Because mathematics students not have to learn. Okay. For suppose 23 into 11 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so how to do fasting? ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I will give some other fasting. Why? Because 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿದೆ, ಈ 3 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮಧ್ಯ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 + 3 5 253 is the ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 25 into 11. What is the first technique? 25 into 11. 2 will be 5 last will be 7. ಬೇಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 25 into 11 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 25 into 25 so 270 ಏನಂತ so multiplication is very big mathematics okay into 11 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ 38 into 11 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ 8 ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಓಕೆ 3 + 8 is what 3 + 8 11 ಆಯ್ತಾ 11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೊ ಈ 1 ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ therefore 3 ನಿಂದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 480 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೊ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಒನ್ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಸೊ 3 + 1 4 ಮಾಡಿ 480 ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿತ್ 11 ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು ಸೊ 2 digits multiplication okay so many are there it will be very useful why because ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ IBPS ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ so I had to learn like this okay so my dear students so why sir you are telling all these things means here useful no that's why I am telling so 11 is what 121 na 121 yeah if you know this one means no difficulty ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ 11 121 ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 1.1 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ 121 point 1.1 into 1.2 2 digits stars into so 1.2 very easy okay na over next we will move to f of 1 f of 1 is equal to what 1 square is equal to 1 direct over substitution so f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 what is the answer to it f of 1.1 is what 1.21 minus f of 1 is what 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1 0.1 okay simplify ಮಾಡಿದೆ 1.21 minus 1 simplify ಮಾಡಿದೆ 0.1 divided by 0.1 ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 1/10 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ 1/10 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 0.21 into 10 ಬರೀಬಹುದಾ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so what is answer 2.1 answer is 2.1 understood 2.1 is answer okay so my dear students like that you have to simplify what is answer 2.1 okay so next my dear students so what is answer 2.1 is answer very simple very calculator if you don't know means operated calculator okay very easy so question number 3 already given as homework question number 3 2 ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ third problem homework already ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ domain find it ಮಾಡೋದು rational function okay next video I will tell our fourth problem onwards okay so my dear students if you like this video means please share and subscribe to your friends and your relatives if you have any doubt means please comment in this video then inna ಏನಿದೆ ವೇದಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ okay you can adopt that also okay if you have any doubt means communicate through WhatsApp also thank you my dear students